Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel.
Welcome to you. I'm from Bangladesh.
Hey, Bayern München.
Yeah. So are you real or AI?
I am and I'm gonna take your house.
Really?
Do you love Israel?
Absolutely. I really endorse Israel
Why?
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 because
Why?
my mother always tells me, please support the homeless people. You were homeless before 1948.
Yes, we are homeless. We are broke. We have no money.
So sad.
So you want to beg money from Palestine?
No.
No.
They have no money too.
We don't have money.
We love
Yes.
Palestine. We don't have Hamas.
No, we don't. We love Palestinian.
Y- You don't love Palestine?
No,
No, we love.
Palestine.
It's
Ah,
okay.
It's okay, but we love the people. We don't. We
Not
hate.
what's the difference between Hamas and Palestine?
Take money, take the food, take the water, and take everything and kill its people. Palestinian is the people.
Palestinian and Hamas are two different organizations?
yeah. We love Palestine.
While the
Okay.
Palestinian people
Okay.
is in Qatar and in Dubai living better than me.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Palestinians are
understand.
cool.
Okay, I understand you, but I want to have a humble question to yours.
We want peace.
We want peace.
Peace and love.
Definitely, I want also peace, but I want to ask a question.
Yeah.
Okay. As you
Give it
said,
to
you
me.
love Palestine, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
very good. But
It's
once
bold.
my bird,
Mine.
my bird, here, it is my bird.
It's
Tutti, say
mine.
hello once a time. Say hello. Say hello. Not mine.
He's
Not
so
me.
cute.
So cute.
Say hello to this. Say hello. Okay. Anyway, okay, let me ask you the
Anyway,
question.
anyway.
Okay. The,
Ask your question.
okay, the question is, I think every single Israeli knows this news. A blogger of British really tried to bring some food for Palestine through a canal, but the Israeli army IDF intercepted them all and took them all to their places in Israel. Maybe what happened
Okay.
over there actually? Do you know
It's
this?
Listen, if they will enter Gaza, the Hamas will kill them and take the food and not gonna give it to the Palestinian. No?
Mine is نوها.
But
Mine.
okay, but the crewmen of this ship, they wanted to go to the Gaza. They didn't really claim anything about to the Israeli, but illegally
Yeah,
they
but
really intercepted them for what?
first of
Yeah.
all, we said that before even the ship and we're not gonna let anyone enter to Gaza because we know what will happen there. Hamas is still there. The Hamas terrorist, um it doesn't care. It doesn't care if it go to the if they are coming to the Palestinian.
Mhm.
He's going to be there and he's going to kill them. We don't want them to die. We're still bringing the food to the Palestinian. But as you can see a videos where you see the Palestinian for taking because he want to take his food and then selling the food and buy with it rockets and things to hit Israel.
This blogger,
Yeah.
this greater blogger, didn't really accuse anything about the Hamas to the IDF, but it's not really your responsibility to save them. Where they are really safe to go into the Gaza. They didn't fear anything about the because they know it isn't really a terrorist organization. They know that. That's why they had a strong and profound faith over them.
It's not our responsibility
Yeah.
to protect them and save them, but if you can check on 7th on I take 7 October as an idea, like they don't care where from. They kill the Americans, they kill the Russians, they kill the Chinese, they kill Thailand. They don't really care. If you are dead, they will kill you.
Okay, I got you. Maybe you're going to the wrong way. Like your speaking doesn't match